Are you looking to step up your RV game to the next level? Well, get ready, because today we're going to show you 5 more affordable upgrades for your Coleman 17B. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is Must Have Upgrades 2.0. We posted a video about a month or two ago for the first 5 upgrades that we did, and you guys can check that video out down in the description below. After all the positive feedback we got, we thought we'd share with you guys 5 more. Now comment down below if there's anything that we missed or anything you guys may have done. Let's jump right into it. All right guys, number 1, this wheel and tire upgrade. Now we did this upgrade for a couple of reasons. First off, those rims look way better than the crappy steel wheels that come on these rigs. And the tires they sell on these, well, they're known not to be the best. They're prone to blowouts and bulges, and with all the traveling we do every weekend, we really just didn't want to take the chance. We ordered the wheels from online from a company called E-Trailer, and we went ahead and spent a little bit extra for decent quality tires, just so we know there's not an issue. I've actually heard horror stories of some of these Coleman 17Bs coming with a C-load range tire, which if you guys do the math and add everything up. Speaking of spare tires, number 2 is our spare tire mount for the back bumper. Now, believe it or not, these Coleman 17Bs and 17Rs don't come with a spare tire, and that's going to leave you in a real bind if you get a flat or maybe even a blowout. Now, we purchased this spare tire holder off of Amazon. I think it was, I don't remember, it was a few years ago, 10 or 15 bucks. But that way we were able to use one of the original tires when we replaced these for the spare. These spare tire carriers are very simple, straightforward to install, but we do have a video, and we'll put it down in the description for you guys if you wanted step-by-step instructions. And number 3 on our list is this Awning LED light strip. Now I got it a little bit shaded here, and it's going to be really hard for you guys to see, but we'll go ahead and post a few pictures up here for you guys to get an idea on what it looks like at night. Now these Coleman 17Bs don't come with any sort of exterior light at all, though they do come with a blank switch spot on the control panel located on the cabinet. Now these LEDs are really easy to install. All we did was start the strip at this end and ran it up to where the power comes in for the power awning opening. And then we ran the wire inside, right behind this piece of trim, right to the control panel. So it's really convenient. Just come in here, flip the switch. You got any color you want. You do have to change that from the remote on the outside, but this will control it as far as going on and off. Now that we have a nice LED strip up top on the awning, we can actually sync it up to the lights that we installed underneath the camper. I know you guys aren't going to be able to see those at all now either. And run everything off one remote and like time them to music and sync them together and do all that fun stuff. So really cool setup, cheap to do, not hard, nice upgrade for anybody. Speaking of LEDs, we figured we'd bring the party inside, and number 4 on our list is this LED light strip we installed along the top shelf. Now this thing's awesome for a couple reasons. Number 1, it saves on battery power on running the overhead lights and the heat buildup that they cause. And number 2, I mean, just look at it. It doesn't get much cooler than that. Why not fancy up the interior a little bit? This strip was under 10 bucks. It runs off a remote, which is nice in case you're in bed and you want to kill it. It's not too bright if it's dark and other people are trying to sleep in the bunk, so it really is convenient to have one of these guys. Now, number 5 is in the bathroom, and they're absolutely essential, especially if you plan on using your shower and you don't want a huge water mess. It's these shub, tub, shower, water, stopper thingers. Not sure what you call them. No idea what they're called. However, they make a world of difference, especially if you guys realize how shallow the tubs are on these 17Bs in the first place. They were 10 bucks at Lowe's. We picked them up. They really make a big difference as far as water pooling up on the floor and having a bunch of crap to clean up when you're out of the shower. You simply peel and stick right to the wall. Try to get a better shot of it for you. They had some bigger ones there, but $25 each, and these things are tiny enough. I don't know if there'd even be enough room to squeeze in between them. We'll go ahead and post links for everything that we upgraded in this one down in the description below. And when you're in there, make sure you check out video upgrades number 1 here.